Hello friends, today we will see how to prepare Anzac cookies. It is prepared in Australia and in New Zealand. So for that the items that we required are here I have desiccated coconut half a cup, brown sugar half a cup of oats, half a cup of maida, 1/4 cup of butter. I am using salted butter. You can also use unsalted butter. If you are using unsalted butter, you can add a pinch of salt. And here I have baking soda. Here I have half a teaspoon of baking soda, little bit of water and 1 teaspoon of honey. So first we will preheat the oven first and then we will start continue. First we will spread some oil or butter to the baking tray and we will keep it ready. So in a bowl we will add the desiccated coconut. We will add the maida, then we will add the oats. So we will mix this nicely and we will keep this aside. And in another vessel I am just switching on the gas and keeping this pan. In that we will add butter first. Keep it in a medium flame. We will add butter. So we have added the butter here. To this we will add honey. Let the butter melt. We will add the brown sugar now. And we will also add little bit of water. I have taken here about 2 teaspoons of water. So I am adding almost 1 teaspoon of water here. Let the sugar melt and the butter gets dissolved. I am using brown sugar here. The actual recipe says to use brown sugar, but in case if brown sugar is not available, you can use the regular sugar. We'll wait for the sugar to melt now. So now the butter has melted as well as the sugar has dissolved. Now we will add the baking soda and give it a mix. It will form a froth up and comes nicely. At this stage, switch off the gas and we will mix the oats, desiccated coconut, maida mixture to this and we'll mix this nicely. We will cover this and keep this for 5 minutes aside and then we can start shaping into cookies. So now we will start shaping these into disc actually before we bake them. So apply oil in your hands and then start making into a disc or any other shape as you desire. So like this I will prepare all the disc and then I will show you. Leave some space in between. Actually when you bake, these cookies will spread. So once I have done with all the cookies, I will show you. So now we will bake them in 160 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes if you want a softer cookies. If you want a slightly crispier cookie, you can bake it for 15 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius. So we will bake them and then we will see how the cookies are turning out. So now the cookies are out of the oven. So as you can see, it has doubled in size. So if you find it little sticky, actually you can use a butter paper in the baking sheet and then you can keep the cookie disc actually, so that it will be easy for you to remove the cookies. We wanted a little soft and chewier cookie, so I have baked it for 10 minutes. If you want crispier, you can just bake it little longer actually. So now we will allow them to cool in a cooling rack and then we will stack them up and you can store this and you can have it as long as it gets over. So your Anzac cookies are ready now. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel for more such new recipes. Thank you.